Okay guys, what we have here is a Minneapolis Moline Jet Star 3. Wide front, of course. Look how straight the sheet metal is, fellas. Oil's clean. Motor's clean. This gentleman had quite a collection of cars. Beautiful little farm, fellas. It has dual hydraulic remotes factory. It has the factory top link, 3-point drawbar. Of course, they came all with live PTO. The fenders are nice and straight. Fenders are real straight, guys. Got the plates, front and rear. Got one almost new rear tire. The other tire's got excellent rubber. Got some dry cracks in it. Again, the sheet metal straight as can be. Minneapolis Moline long life engine, showing 4,362 hours. Torque amplifier, 3-point. Again, guys, look how clean and straight. The sheet metal on this tractor is almost perfect. Doesn't have the battery box.